This year marks the 20th anniversary of BYD entering the automotive industry. In 2003, the company stepped into the competitive world of Chinese electric vehicles, aiming to produce cars that go further and cost less than ever before. Today, no company makes or sells more EVs than BYD. Its CEO, Wang Chuanfu, has unveiled a groundbreaking engine that could completely change the electric vehicle industry. Known for being among the world's top EV manufacturers, BYD challenges the supremacy of Tesla, which has long dominated the industry. However, Tesla's dominance may be waning, particularly in China, the world's largest EV market, where it has been losing ground to domestic automakers amid an aggressive price war in an already competitive landscape. BYD's shift from pure electric innovation to revolutionary engine technology has taken the industry by surprise. This bold move not only challenges EV competitors, but could also reshape the future of automotive technology. What does this mean for the EV industry and sustainable transportation? Join us as we explore BYD's new engine and its potential to revolutionize the market. Electric vehicles are becoming increasingly popular, especially in regions like California, which has mandated electric-only car sales by 2035. EVs are praised for their ability to save money on gas and reduce dependence on fossil fuels, contributing to a cleaner environment. However, the transition to perfect electric mobility is still evolving. Persistent issues like range anxiety, limited charging infrastructure, and long charging times remain significant hurdles, particularly for drivers requiring extended range capabilities. BYD, known for its pioneering advancements in EV technology, is signaling a new direction that could change the future of electric mobility. CEO Wang Chuanfu has announced an innovative engine designed to bridge the gap between electric and traditional engines, combining the best aspects of both into a revolutionary powertrain. This approach promises to address the limitations of pure EVs while offering a new perspective on hybrid technology. For years, BYD has been at the forefront of EV development, consistently pushing boundaries with advanced electric motors and competing with giants like Tesla, Rivian, Ford, and GM. These companies have heavily invested in electric powertrains, with a clear trend toward phasing out combustion engines in favor of fully electric solutions. The European Union, for example, has proposed a ban on selling new combustion engine cars by 2035. However, BYD's latest innovation deviates from this trajectory, introducing a bold vision that combines elements of electric and combustion power in an unexpected way. Early reports suggest that BYD's new engine delivers performance metrics surpassing most current EV powertrains. It blends the power and efficiency of electric motors with the range and refueling speed of traditional engines. This hybrid or alternative fuel system could overcome the primary challenges of pure EVs, such as range anxiety and limited charging infrastructure. Imagine a vehicle with high energy density, capable of traveling long distances without the constant worry of finding a charging station, and quick to refuel when needed. Such a system would make long road trips more accessible for EV drivers. The automotive market has traditionally been defined by the tension between electric and combustion engines. However, BYD's innovative approach introduces a middle ground that could transform vehicle propulsion. While traditional EVs rely on batteries that require lengthy charging times and frequent recharges on extended trips, BYD's engine concept reimagines this model. The hybridization of electric and combustion components could result in a highly versatile and efficient system. BYD's announcement has sent shockwaves through the automotive industry, with experts expressing both excitement and skepticism. Many are eager to see if BYD's hybrid engine can deliver on its ambitious promises. If successful, it could disrupt the EV market and inspire a wave of technological advancements. For years, companies have focused on incremental improvements in battery technology to extend range and reduce charging times. While progress has been made, no solution has fully addressed the limitations of EVs to make them as convenient as gas-powered cars for all drivers. BYD's vision of merging the strengths of electric and combustion systems challenges the industry to rethink its direction, positioning BYD as a leader in what could become the new standard for vehicles. Despite the promise of this innovation, significant challenges remain in perfecting hybrid engines that marry electric and combustion technology. Nonetheless, BYD's bold step forward marks a pivotal moment in the evolution of sustainable transportation. Polluted future vehicles are inherently more complex to design and produce as they require the precise integration of two distinct power sources into one cohesive system. This means both technological complexity and increased manufacturing costs. However, BYD's track record as a pioneer in the EV space suggests it is up to the challenge. The company's investments in research and development are among the highest in the industry, and BYD has demonstrated an impressive ability to deliver cutting-edge solutions that meet both technical and market demands. Moreover, this shift doesn't mean that BYD is abandoning its electric roots. Rather, it represents an evolution in the company's approach to powertrain solutions. The new engine appears to be a stepping stone toward a diversified range of sustainable propulsion options, positioning BYD not just as a competitor in the EV market, but as a leader in reimagining what it means to drive a clean, efficient, and powerful vehicle. By targeting the limitations that have held back traditional EV systems, this hybridized technology could redefine sustainable transportation, making EVs more appealing to a broader audience and accelerating the global transition to clean energy. In a market that has long viewed EVs as the future and combustion engines as the past, BYD's innovation reminds us that there is room for reimagining and re-engineering. The company's new engine technology reflects a shift from a binary approach, electric versus combustion, to a more integrated strategy that could change the conversation in the automotive world. With this groundbreaking engine, BYD is moving away from an either-or mindset, embracing instead a both-and philosophy that harnesses the advantages of both power sources. If successful, BYD's hybrid engine could mark the beginning of a new era in which EVs are no longer limited by their batteries,